Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the Outer Worlds 2 Better Companions mod. I show you guys how to install it. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and go to files. Scroll down, there are three mods available. The Better Companions mod, this is the main version. This gets 2 times more health and regen, and their abilities recharge 2 times faster. They survive longer and use abilities more often. For the balanced edition, companions get 1.5 more health with slightly faster recon. Weapon deal 0.75 times damage to keep the game balanced. And the stronger edition, companions become very powerful, 3 times more health, super fast recon, and 3 times faster abilities and 2 times weapon damage. Depends on your need. You just need to download the mod. Select the manual download option. Select the slow download option, and it will start downloading. If you are new to the site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. And after the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR, and then open the folder. And you just need to navigate to the game folder, guys. If you doesn't know where the game is located, then you can check my video description for file path. Just navigate to this path. If you are new to mod, then in your case the mods folder will not created in packs folder. Then you just need to create it manually. Just copy this mod's name and then just right click on the blank area in packs folder and select folder new and select folder and just paste the text we copied and press enter. Double click on the mods folder and just drag and drop all these files inside. Then just close stuff here and mod is successfully installed. You can open the game and use the mod, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.